Hi friends, this is Raja. Welcome to Coder's Companion. The topic that I am going to cover in this video is set. This is a series of video on Python programming for beginners. And for more videos you can visit my channel or click on my playlist link given in the description. Before moving on to the video, I would recommend you to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. Let's get started. This is the 10th topic in data types and type conversion. A set is an unordered collection of items separated by comma and enclosed in curly brackets. Set is mutable, which means elements in the set can be added, deleted and updated. Every item in the set is unique. In case if a set is created with duplicate items, then it will automatically remove the duplicate items. A set can hold a collection of mixed immutable data types. Items in set must be immutable such as integer, string, tuple, but mutable types such as list, dictionary, set are not allowed. Set can be used to perform mathematical set operations like union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference, etc. Empty set can be created using set function. An empty set cannot be created using open close curly bracket. Instead, this will create an empty dictionary. Let's create an empty set. And the data type is set. We cannot create an empty set using open close curly brackets. This will create a dictionary. You can see that the type is a dictionary. Creating a set with integer type data. Creating a set with string type data. We can also create a set with mixed data types. Set contains only unique items. If you create a set with duplicate items, it will remove the duplicate items. Set is unordered. The items inserted into the set will not have a specific order. Set cannot have mutable items. This statement will throw error. Data type conversion. Set function is used to convert a sequence data type to set type. Sequence data types are string, list, tuple, etc. String is a sequence of characters. So when a string is converted to a set, it takes each character in the string to a set item. If the string has duplicate characters, then it will remove the duplicate characters. Converting list and tuple to set. List or tuple is a sequence of items. When converted to a set, the output will be a collection of unordered items. And if any duplicate item found, then it will be removed from the set. Converting a dictionary to set. A dictionary when converted to set, by default set will take the key as set items. Or we can also use a function called keys. The output will be same. In next example, we are using a function called values. This example specifically takes values as set items. In next example, we are using a function called items. The output will be a set of tuples. Each tuple will have key and value data. Frozenset is an inbuilt function which takes a sequence type object as input and makes them immutable. Simply, it freezes the iterable objects and makes them unchangeable. Let's create a string and convert it to set. The output is a set with unordered set items. Here the string has duplicate characters like L was used twice. But when converted to a set, it is removed. I am creating a list and converting it to a set. Similarly, I am creating a tuple and converting it to a set. Now let's create a dictionary and convert it to a set. The output has only keys as set items. Dictionary can use a function called keys to get only keys as set items. This is same as the above. Suppose that I want to get only values as set items, then I can use a dictionary function called values. Here the output is only values. If I want to get both keys and values as set items, then I can use a dictionary function called items. Here the output is a set with key and value enclosed in tuple as set items. Let's create a Frozenset. To create an empty Frozenset, simply assign Frozenset function without any arguments to a variable. Let's use a tuple and convert it to a Frozenset. Similarly, let's create a list and convert it to a Frozenset. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like button, share the link to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. See you in next video.